Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to lay out our border line. On our graph paper, we've laid out all the border lines earlier with the graph paper just on the edge. To create our border line here, what you're going to do, you're going to measure in a 1/2 inch from each side. So go ahead and take your ruler. You're going to mark it a 1/2 inch here. We're going to mark our 1/2 inch from the bottom, or from the top. 1/2 inch from the right side. And now our 1/2 inch from the bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. Our horizontal lines are going to be drawn with our T-square. So we take our T-square, handles against the edge, line it up with our mark, lightly draw your line across. There's our top line. Do the same thing for your bottom line. T-squares against the edge, lightly draw, line across. Okay, so we're now ready to do our vertical lines. Vertical lines, remember, we do not take the T-square and flip it over the edge. What we're going to do is we're going to take a triangle here, line it up, and we're going to line that triangle up with our point here, making sure that it's flat on our T-square, okay? So like I said, the main thing you want to make sure on this, your T-squares against the edge, this triangle has to be connected to your T-square. If you're out here like this, we don't know if that's vertical, do we? So we're going to line this up with our mark, lightly draw this vertical line between our two horizontal lines. There. And then we slide it over here to this other edge. Do the same thing. So we have our border line laid out. We're going to do a very simple title block. Okay, we've done some title blocks in the past that are complicated. This one's going to be a simple one. So from your border line, from the border line here, just mark up another 1/2 inch. That's it. Take your T-square once again, draw your horizontal line across. We're then going to divide this one large rectangle title block into 2 smaller ones. We're just going to split it down the middle. I'm measuring 10 inches, so we're just going to mark it at 5. T-square and triangle again. Vertical line. We have 2 boxes here, one for our name, one for the name of the drawing.